Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear for Professor Dr. Sucipto MPD Al-Hajj, please allow my name is Suyanto, will differ material and title Management of Quality Assurance at Muhammadiyah Primary School, Surakarta, to improve Arabic assessment. Case study in SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta. Introduction research. Quality education is education that is able to meet expectation and be able to meet the want and needs of the community. Effort to maintain quality difficult to separate from quality management, where all management function, be it planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling, which are carried out by education manager, are directed so that all service provided can be maximized or exceed customer expectation. Quality management controlling a product after it is produced can face the risk of a product that does not comply with the expected standard. So quality management effort are needed in the form of quality assurance that all aspects related to education service provided reach certain quality standards so that the resulting output is operated by standard. According to the Education Quality Assurance and Improvement System, or SPPMB, quality assurance is a series of interrelated processes for collecting, analyzing, and reporting on the performance and quality of education personnel, education program, and educational institution. Quality assurance lead to quality improvement. The quality assurance process cover are to be achieved along with development priorities, provides evidence-based planning and decision-making that and support a culture of continuous improvement. The quality of education outcome at the primary and secondary education level in Indonesia is assessed based on the National Education Standard of the BSNP. Then focus quality assurance at the National Education Standard with a focus on school performance, the performance of the principal and teacher performance. Standard that are primary concern are: number 1, content standard; number 2, teaching and learning process standard; number 3, competency standards for graduates; number 4, educator and education staff standard; number 5, facilities and infrastructure standard; number 6, management standard; number 7, education financing standard; and 8, education assessment standards. Based on the above background, the writer want to know more about quality assurance at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta. His study was taken at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta because had won first place in the National Quality Culture Competition. Based on the above problem, the problem can be formulated in this study: how is the implementation of quality assurance in SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta to improve Arabic language assessment? Theoretical basis. Malayu SP Hasibuan explained the management in English means to manage, namely to manage. Management is concept with the process of planning, organizing, leadership, and controlling, and with there are effort by members of organizing to achieve predetermined goal by mobilizing the organizational resources they have. Management is the science and art that regulate the process of using human resources, effectively supported by other sources in an organization to achieve goal. Management function is a base keynote of a process management as reference in carrying out activities to achieve goal. This is an idea introduced by Henry Fayol. Consists there are planning, organizing, giving command or commanding, coordinating, and controlling. Research methods. The research design in this paper is qualitative research with a case study approach. The use of primary data derived from interview and observation and secondary data from document. Source of data in this study are word and action, the rest additional such and document other. The source became informant of resources person where the research subject, namely the principal and the Arabic teacher at Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta. Mechanical collection using interview with ask question relevant to informant selected by open question so that the information obtained more complete and profound with problem. Implementation of quality assurance at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta to improve Arabic language achievement through 8 standard, namely content standard, process standard, competency standard, standard of education and teaching staff, standard for facilities and infrastructure, management standard, educational budgeting, and standard education assessment in the implementation of each standard as follows. Implementation of context standard. Curriculum have the Arabic view use SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta using curriculum Al-Islam Kemuhammadiyahan and Arabic Muhammadiyah the use of the Al-Islam curriculum. Muhammadiyah and Arabic pimpinan pusat Muhammadiyah at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta is applied the grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 5, and grade 6. Implementation of process standard. SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta is able to elaborate fun Arabic learning so that study enthusiastic about participating, motivation, studying that Arabic is the language of the Prophet, then encourage students to focus on following learning and with the typical method, namely the Laduni, strategy. Ilate kudumuni, Laduni. Interview with Ustadz Jatmiko Arabic teacher. Implementation of graduate competency standard with their achievement in each year in the academic year. SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta was ranked next in Surakarta. Implementation of education standard and teaching. All teacher SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta must have for competition, namely pedagogic personality, social, professional, plus the competence of Al-Islam Kemuhammadiyahan. Implementation of standard facilities and infrastructure. Producing infrastructure through school budget. If there are facilities and infrastructure that must be repaired, then the school will bring in experts who are able to improve these facilities. Implementation of management standard. SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta is managed by the Muhammadiyah Foundation with the management of the Elementary Education Council of the main PDM Surakarta. Implementation of financing standard. The source of financing at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta are obtained through three sources, including funding from the central government, from the education in fact affiliated for grade 1 until 6, and funding from foundation. Number 6, implementation of assessment and standard. The learning outcome carried out by SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta are in accordance with the provisions determined by the respective curriculum. Both the provision of the Al-Islam Kemuhammadiyahan curriculum and the Arabic language where the assessment is more preferable is the cognitive assessment or cognitive assessment. Concluding remarks. Based on the result of the research and discussion that has been described, it can be concluded that the implementation of quality assurance to improve Arabic language assessment at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta has been carried all well. This can be seen from the implementation of a national education standard inclusion. Number 1, content standard. Number 2, standard of process. Number 3, standard of management. Number 4, standard of facilities and infrastructure. Number 5, standard of competency of graduates. Number 6, standard of teaching staff and education staff. Number 7, standard of financing. Number 8, standard of assessment. As a result, one of the Wilden students who won the Arabic speech competition at the 7th Ahmad Dahlan Olympic at LPMP Lampung won the bronze medal the quiz competition by the Ministry of Religion as the number 1 winner in the FKIP solo event. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for question from Mr. Amin. How implementation of quality assurance at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta to improve Arabic language achievement according to national education standard. Implementation of content standard curriculum have the Arabic who use SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta, the use of the Al-Islam kurikulum Muhammadiyah at Arabic Pimpinan Pusat Muhammadiyah at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta applied to grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 until grade 6. Number 2, implementation of process standard SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta. It is able to elaborate fun Arabic learning so that students are enthusiastic, semangat about partisipasi, motivating student that Arabic is the language of the Prophet, then encourage student to focus on following learning and with the typical method used, namely the Laduni strategy, Ilate Kudumuni from Java language. Number 3, implementation of graduate competency standard with their assessment at each year in the academic year 2019 year SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta was ranking at the top in Surakarta. Number 4, implementation of educator standard and teaching staff. All teachers at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta must have 4 competency, namely pedagogic, personality, social, professional, plus the competence of Al-Islam Kemuhammadiyahan. Implementation of standard facilities and infrastructure. Producing infrastructure through school budget. If there are facilities and infrastructure that must be repaired, then the school will bring an expert who are able to improve these facilities. Number 6, implementation of management standard. SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta is managed by the Muhammadiyah Foundation with the management of the elementary education Council of Yayasan Pimpinan Daerah Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Number 7, implementation of financing standard. The sources of financing at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta are 3 sources, including funding from the central government, from the education infaq affiliate from grade 1 until 6, and funding from foundation. And implementation of assessment standard, the learning outcome carried out by SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta are in accordance with the profession determined by the respective curriculum, both the provision of the Al-Islam Kemuhammadiyan curriculum and the Arabic language, where the assessment is more preferable is the cognitive assessment or core knowledge assessment. And thank you, Mr. Amin. And then thank you for question from Mrs. Novi. How implementation of quality assurance to improve Arabic language assessment at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta in a management approach. Planning, Mrs. Sri Sayakti at the principal of school make effort to maintaining and improve the quality of Arabic and plan for comprehensive learning supervision. Supervision academic by the principal to understanding the duty and function of teacher in carrying out the function as educator. Interview with Ustadz Jatmiko. Number 2, organizing. The organizational structure of SD Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta is systematically arranged. Furthermore, mandating Ustadz Jatmiko to offer the improvement of the quality of Arabic, so that structurally the division of teacher duty is clear and the school in totality facilitates what is needed to improve presentation of Arabic. Number 3, commending. In practice, the briefing is focus of Al-Islam and Muhammadiyah because it is a key factor of the quality of learning Arabic at SD Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Number 4, coordinating. Coordinating is carried out the provide directed to work together and work effective and efficient. The goal of improving the quality of Arabic. Finish, controlling. In order for the program to run smoothly and monitor that all activities have been achieved, condition meeting regular health. Thank you for the question from Mr. Amin and Mrs. Novi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.